In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a trade with your mobile phone on Binance. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the world of cryptocurrency, knowing how to execute trades on the go is an invaluable skill. Let's dive right in and get started. First up, you'll want to open the Binance app on your mobile device. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so now. Having direct access to your account is crucial, as this allows you to manage your trades and monitor the market efficiently. Make sure you keep your login credentials secure to maintain the integrity of your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the bottom of your screen and tap on the trade icon. This is your portal to accessing Binance's full suite of trading options, which includes everything from spot trading to more advanced features. The interface is user-friendly, but if you're new, just take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different sections. Now it's decision time. You need to choose between spot or margin trading. Spot trading is straightforward. You buy and sell cryptocurrencies at their current market price. Margin trading, on the other hand, is more advanced, allowing you to borrow funds to increase your buying power. Choose the option that best suits your strategy and comfort level. With your trading type selected, it's time to pick a trading pair. This is essentially the two currencies you want to trade. For example, if you're looking to trade Bitcoin for Tether, you'd select the BTC USDT pair. The app provides a broad range of pairs to choose from, so you should find what you're looking for quite easily. Next, decide whether you want to buy or sell within this trading pair. If you're looking to acquire more of the base currency, choose buy. If you're ready to sell, select the sell option. At this stage, you should have a clear vision of what you aim to achieve with this trade. Now input the amount you wish to trade. Be diligent here and double check the figures you enter, as this step is crucial to executing the trade accurately. Binance provides tools to help you with calculations, so make use of them if necessary. It's time to select your order type. If you want the trade to happen instantly at the current market price, choose a market order. Alternatively, use a limit order if you have a specific price in mind and prefer to wait for the market to hit that price point before executing the trade. Once everything is set and you're satisfied with your choices, tap on buy or sell to finalize the trade. Don't worry if you're feeling a bit anxious, that's completely normal when trading, especially at the beginning. Finally, to ensure everything went smoothly, check your open orders or order history. This will provide a confirmation of your transaction and allow you to review any ongoing orders you may have set. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to place trades on Binance using your mobile phone. Happy trading, and remember to always trade responsibly.